Bafethu kumnandi ukusupport Bafana kulamalanga. I didn't expect the type of game we had today, man. Yo, this game was full of controversy. This game was full of surprises. This game was full of everything a football fan would love. I mean, from the own goal in the 29th minute to that equalizer, which was it was a handball. Let's face it, guys, that was a handball. There's no debating that. The only reason the referee never saw that was because he was far away from the action and he didn't use VAR. The FIFA needs to review that decision. But hey, man, what happened happens, and we still have 3 more games to play. We are playing against very good team, Rwanda, in our final game. So good luck to Bafana. I believe we can qualify. Yes, Lesotho protested with the FIFA board. They submitted their appeal in order to in order to do this, in order to review the legitimacy of fielding Mokoena in their first game against South Africa. But now we are playing the last match. But recently we were playing the last match against Lesotho. So yeah, leya match leyana bawine fans South Africa loya 3-2, loya 3-0 ngiyaxolisa, loya 3-0 nje sibabhaxe fans beyingekho into ebi-unfair kuleya match leyana, beyingekho iyitori kanjalo nje laphana, sibashayile nje kuleya match yokuqala. And judging by the way we played in the first match and the second match, we did pretty well. We did very, very good today. Defensively, we were solid. We managed to hold some very tall, very physical players. We managed to mark some of the best players in Africa. We managed to make players like Ademola Lookman and Alexis Iwobi very unimpactful in the game. You only saw them using those small pockets in which were as a result of our own mistakes, not because they had a very good match, because they didn't. But Nigeria's experience, Nigeria's quality overall in terms of individual brilliance, as well as their capacity to create something special out of nothing, due to the amounts of years and years all these players have in the national team, due to the amounts of years and years all these players have in the top levels of football all across the world, made it very difficult for us to play. But if there's one thing that South Africa did better than Nigeria, was playing as a team. South Africa managed to play as a team from the first whistle till the last whistle. Our boys were able to sacrifice for one another's sake. Our boys were able to fight for one another. Our boys were able to represent the country very well. These are warriors. They deserve a positive result out of this match. I would have hoped for them to win. They should have won. That goal was not a goal. It was a handball. But then, hey, there's nothing much we can do. People are complaining about the fact that South Africa was fielding an ineligible player in the first match against Lesotho. So I guess this is karma. Uh, yeah, the referee did not judge that handball. So we just move on from there. Anyways, this was an exciting match. In the last 10 minutes, there was so much action happening there. We felt like Nigeria could get a goal. We felt like South Africa could extend their league. We felt like anything could have happened in those few minutes. And chance after chance, people were just either missing or mistiming or miscalculating runs and all those things. But this happens when you're under pressure. However, I do think that South Africa can qualify for World Cup 2026 USA. Here we come. I'm not afraid anymore. I'm even going to buy a Bafana jersey, man, because we are going there. I believe we are going there. Thank you very much, Nigeria, for a good match. That was fun to watch. That was a brilliant match. I loved it from the beginning right until the end. Please keep on watching football. Keep on watching all other sports. We love you guys. Thanks.